Hello everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. So for today, we will be working in my hours journal and I will be setting up week 22. Look at that. And I will be using the faded Chronicle, I think May subscription. So yeah, it's so very pretty, this kit. So yeah, do stick around and let us begin my gratitude journal setup. All right, so this is very big kit. Look at how many pages, and it's like the size is also big. So there's so much to work with here. All right, so let's start off maybe with the first box. There's a lot of stickers and you have to choose carefully which one we're going to put down. So I was looking at this. I saw a May script here. And then there are quotes over here. So this is also foiled in rose gold, which is so very pretty. So I was thinking we'll put down May over here and maybe one of this, like quotes on it. I think there are other. Are there other quotes here? I think so, but yeah, let's work. See, there's more here, like this one. It's so nice. This is such a nice. I just love this subscription, and it's very like the washi paper is very good as well. And yeah, so let us start off by using this May sticker. Will I need my tweezers here? Let me check. All right, so we are thinking of putting May over here, covering the calendar. Oh, wait. Before I put that down, before I put the May sticker down, let's probably put one of this down. Celebrate the little things. So let's see how we are going to oops, it's got stuck there. Anyways, we'll leave it there. Let's see if it'll come off nicely. Very sticky, but okay, come on here, May. All right, let's get that off carefully. All right, okay, so let's celebrate the little things, right? That's exactly what this this little journal of mine is for, to celebrate the little things. Because yes, it's like, you know, every day you have one small thing or several things to be grateful for, so which is really good. Okay, so let me see if this works out as what I'm thinking. Hopefully. All right, there you go. Very pretty. Yes, I love it already. And of course, I feel again like we need an icon over here. Oh, they even have like the gold foiled page here. Oh, sorry, rose gold page here. So probably let's put the cup here. Let's put a cup over here. I don't know why I want a cup, but I feel like, or this butterfly. Ooh, yes. How about the butterfly instead? Or, my gosh, there's so many things that I can put down, right? Or this floral. Maybe the okay, we changed our minds. We're gonna put the floral like so. There you go. Nice. I love that. Very pretty. So you want to see how it's going so far? So pretty. Look at this page. Yes. So for Monday, I really had a very stressful day at work, but then we got things done, so that's good. And I was able to like do all the errands, and like we had to go to the groceries to buy, you know, we were running out of food here at home, so that's why we had to go to the grocery. This has so many really pretty things. It's like, yeah, I'm like, I can just put anything here. Oh, even this is pretty. Look at that. Let's try this out. Oh my gosh, you know, I'll even show you. There's even like washi over here that you can use, but yeah, we showed use it for another spread. What was the one I was looking at? Oh, this one, right? Okay, so let us put this like string over it, not string, but like this. That's so pretty. Yes, so yeah, I was able to finish all the errands for Monday. I think we went to Costco and then some, pick up some things, some medicines. And yeah, so that was good because really needed to get those things done, you know. All right, so let's stick this like, wait, is it gonna stick the way I want it to? Over there like this. Okay, I guess it's fine. Very pretty already. Oh, and I need some space, of course, to write, right? Because I was thinking of putting this here, down here, and then we have space to write there. Yes, okay, I think we'll do that. Yeah, so that was for Monday. And then for Tuesday, all right, I finally bought or purchased tires for our car because I've been like, it's like one of our tires is just getting like low on air, so every time I have to like go out and get the tires, that one of the tires aired, so it's like, oh my gosh. And the gas stations have like super expensive like air, like $3, or yeah, I'm like, what, why is it so expensive to like put air? So I go all the way to Costco to get air. Yeah, all right, so that is what we have for Monday so far. Let me think about the rest. All right, I really like the edges of this kit. They're like going to work very nicely with the boxes. Yeah, like this edge over here, and there's even a quote on it, but I cannot read it. I'm not gonna read that. So you want to put this like an edge, right? Look at that, pretty. And then I was thinking to like put the basket. Is it too much with the rabbit on it? I feel like, where do we put the boots so it's not too much? The choices we need to make. Maybe the boot. Maybe, yes. Let's try it out. All right, so what else was I thankful for? So yeah, that was like, now I'm just waiting for like, the order to come in. I mean, or at least to be delivered, the tires to be delivered, and then we will get them done. And yeah, tires are expensive as well. So I'm like, oh my goodness, expense after expense, but we need to do it. All right, so there are the pretty boots, and then I think I want to put like something here. There are like this, it's called the small icons. There you go. These are the small icons. They don't look small to me, but it is as such. Let's see, maybe a small book or a nice letter. What do you think? Small book? Yes, maybe. Yeah, the small book. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it already. All right, there you go. Yes. All right, what else is happening? Oh, I had a nice long walk. That was like, was that Wednesday? Was that Wednesday? And then so I'm having like a nice little vacation at home here. Yes, at home. And that would start Thursday. So that's why I said eve before PTO. I did a plan with me, so I was able to flip a plan because of course I didn't have to worry about tomorrow's work, right? So that was really nice. So let's see, what else can we put over here? I just love the quotes. Look at that. So pretty with the quotes. And what can we put over here? I just love the foil as well. There's so much. Oh, look at that. There's the boot as well. Let's see. Okay, let me think. I really love like this designs because you don't really have to think about collaging because it's already done for you. So you can just stick the sticker down like what I'm going to do. And there's so many cute cats as well in this sticker kit. I feel like this one is based on like Alice in Wonderland because of like the tea, the Cheshire cat. See, look at that. Just look, paste it down and you're like done for this box. Maybe I'll just put some things around it as usual. Or some foil, a nice butterfly over here. Yes, I think that will make, or coffee cup, because you have, I like the butterfly. So yeah, so it's just very simple and nice, cute, very pretty. So I'm done with that box. Yes. All right. So on Thursday last week, I did have my PTO, first day of my PTO is paid time off, so it's like a vacation day. And of course, I was able to go to Paper and Pencil, which is like a stationery store here in Chicago, Illinois. So I'm like so happy to be able to go there because I've seen it like all over Instagram. Look at how cute this cat is. So I'm like, yes, please let me go over there. And so yeah, it was a great time. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's like, yeah, stationery heaven. I did put up a haul of what I got, and yeah, it's quite a lot because they have so much good stuff over there. It's like, what? How is that possible? They have so many things. And I went to the new store. I've never been to the old store. They just opened like last weekend, and yeah, there's so many people in the shop, and I'm like, wow, that's so amazing for them that they're still able to thrive, right? Like in this economy. Which is really good. So yeah, that was a really fun day for me because I was finally able to, go to a stationery shop, which is, oh my gosh, amazing. Yeah, I want to put something up here because of course, yes, we cannot leave this top empty. So we're gonna put this on the side, so at least this is the space I'll write in for my gratitude. I love that. How pretty. Oh my gosh, this is such a pretty kit. See, look at this, and I have so much more to use, so I can just put this down like this and I'm done, like done with this space. I really like this. So let's put this down. So yeah, that is what happened on Thursday. It's such a great time. I'm like looking at all the washi. There's so much very pretty washi, but yeah, washi is kind of expensive, so I stuck with more with the stickers, and there's so many as well. Like, oh my gosh, stationery heaven, really. Okay, so let's put this here. So happiness lives inside of this. Yeah, like small moments like that. I'm so happy already. Like looking at all the stationery they have there, and the people are so sweet over there. They're like, oh my gosh, so very helpful with everything. So yeah, that was a great time. Do I want to add this? I think I do, just just to add more. I just like it. There you go. So that is for Friday. All right, so what else did I do? Okay, so another vacation day was on Friday. So I did, just play with my platter. It was just very lazy. I just love it because it's like so very tiring when you're at work. I want to put this down here. It's so very tiring at work for me. It's so stressful, and it's like you have to be available all the time with everything. So just to be lazy the whole day, not to think about work, oh my god, that is such a wonderful feeling. And I wish I'd like go longer, but we'll do it another time where we'll just stay at home as well and just laze around, play with stickers, because there's so much to do with my stickers, because I have so many. So I'm just enjoying my planners and stickers so much these days. So yeah, so there you go. That is, oh my gosh, beautiful. I just love this. That's so pretty. That's enough, I think, or just maybe something here. Just a little, oops, let's remove that. Maybe this nice little floral for here, that space. So yeah, so that was what happened Friday. Just laziness and watching YouTube, playing with my stickers. So yeah, that was super great. All right, so we have one last and then we're done. Look at how amazing this is looking. I love it. And then it's very easy. It Faded Chronicle made it very easy for me to make my journal this week, because it's just, everything is just like laid out for you. So good. Okay, so let's see what will be the last that I will be putting down. We'll see. Do we put this? Look at this super cute cat. I have so many cats already. No, I don't. Really? Maybe let's put the cat here. Would that work out? Yes, let's put this cute cat over here. Because, we need that front-facing cat. Love it. Okay, so I think we'll put something else with it. Maybe, what can we put? Some florals. Will this work out? Let's check. So I want to put something else at the back. And hopefully this works out. Maybe hide the stalk. All right, there you go. Very cute. Oh my gosh, there you go. I think I am done with this. How simple and how pretty it's looking. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.